Hi, Owen from Morris 4x4 Center here. We're committed to you, the customer. We want you to get the best product, the quickest shipping, and we want you to be satisfied at the end of the day. Today we're going to show you how to install these Smittybilt XRC corner guards with its optional fender flare. So sit back, watch the video, get ready to get some of these and put them on your rig so you can go wheeling. So the first step in our installation of our XRC corner guards is to remove the original equipment, which is the fender flare, the gas cap and bezel if you have one, and in the back the tail light. You also want to take a moment and clean it all up really well. Soap and water, wash it, get it ready. If you got any rust, maybe it's a little bit old, you might want to sand it down a little bit, which we'll show you in a few minutes. We're going to show you how to start drilling some of these holes to put your corner guards on. The next step in our installation is to mount the corner guard onto the Jeep. Now Smittybilt recommends using 2 C-clamps, and you can do that, that's fine. We're going to show you a little trick that we have. So if you're doing this installation alone, you'll need the corner guard, 1 of your screws from the back of your tail light, and 3 of your fender flare screws. Doing it this way, you might see that the holes are a little off. So just take your 1/4-inch drill, open it up a little bit more, slide it in. The next step, we want to mark our holes, the 7/16 countersunk holes that we're going to drill using a magic marker on the tape. So make sure that's nice and firm against the vehicle. The next step, after we have used the center punch on all our marked holes, is to take a 7/16 drill bit and make these holes. You'll want to make sure there's nothing behind it as you drill through any electrical parts. And at Morris, we're always concerned about safety. For this hole, you'll notice in your hardware, there are 2 long bolts. This one goes here, and the other one on the other side. You've got to drill not just the hole here, but all the way through. The next step in the installation is to remove all the tape, use a sander, and go ahead and get all the areas that you drill the holes, get the burrs off. If you got some chip paint, you might want to do that. And anything may be rusted, so we'll clean this area up and get it ready to put the corner guard on. The next step in your installation, Smittybilt recommends using some touch-up paint, or we've used some Stop Rust by Rust-Oleum. We're going to touch up those areas that we drilled and that have a little rust on them. The next step in our installation is to take a 1-inch hole saw bit and drill on the back side for this hole. The next step in our installation is to mount the corner guard to the vehicle. At this step of the installation, all of our 7/16 countersunk bolts are in but loosely. We made sure they all fit. And now we're going to go ahead and snug them all up. Then we're going to go back and look at all of our other holes. Smittybilt says that if it's a little bit off, go ahead and run the 1/4-inch drill bit through there to open them up, and then use the hardware for that. Then we're going to put our gas cap back on, our tail light, and we're ready to go. Now that the installation is done, you can see it looks great. Smittybilt did a good job with their XRC rear corner guards with the optional flare fender. We here at Morris hope that this video helped you in your installation or maybe in your decision to buy these great corner guards. Check us out for more online, and we hope that you have a great day.